This is freight elevator 3 at the Fort Pitt Brewery warehouse in Sharpsburg, Pennsylvania. Take a look at this. This is an original vintage Haughton freight elevator with a cage shaft and wooden outside and inside gates. So we got the interface is fast. Close the outside gate. Sadly, the fixtures are not original. They've been replaced with Adams SurvivorPlus sometime. Looks like maybe even fairly recently. But it's just a slap on. Other than that, it's completely original. And let's go down to the basement. Still original. So I'll have to let it start up for a second. Here you go. Basement. I'll go up to 2. Look at the shaft. It's the first floor. Look at this shaft. Wow, this thing is amazing. This thing looks really reliable. I'll go back down to 1. See the paint there. 8A found, the door's coming off. Basically a freight elevator. But look at this thing. This thing is amazing. Much better than the other one in the building, even with the other one in the building. It's original fixtures. What's weird is the original COP plate is right there. That's kind of funny.